amongst the affected and the civic authorities as well, while efforts are on to move those in the peril zone to the safe places. NewsX correspondent Afreen reports from the spot, that is the Nigambodh Ghat, which is one of the worst affected areas.
The water level in the Yamuna has risen beyond the danger level mark. The gates of the major drains in the city have been shut, due to which the water has no major outlet to reach the smaller drains. Waterlogging is expected in the city as the Met Department predicts even more rainfall. The water level in the Yamuna has reached beyond the 204-meter mark, which is 11 centimeters above the danger level mark. People here are exasperated and worried as to what will happen to the villages that are lying beside the banks. भैया, आपको क्या लगता है ये वाटर लेवल इतना इंक्रीज हो रहा है यहाँ पे, लोगों को क्या असुविधा हो सकती है?
लोगों को मेन असुविधा हो रही है, जिस जगह हम चल रहे हैं जमुना जी का घाट है, जो लोग रोज यहाँ पे पूजा करने आते हैं या लोग जो अपनी जिनकी आस्था जमुना नदी से जुड़ी है, उनको सबसे ज्यादा परेशानी हो रही है कि सारे रास्ते में पानी आ गया है। जहाँ हमारी वोट चल रही है, यहाँ पर ये सड़क है जिसपे लोग अपनी गाड़ियां लेके जमुना के किनारे जाते हैं, उनको परेशानी हो रही है। दूसरा क्या, जितनी गाँव वाले लोग थे उनको सारे उनके खेतों में पानी भर गया, घरों में पानी भरेगा, उनको असुविधा हो रही है।
अच्छा, आपको क्या लगता है इसमें पानी अगर और बढ़ती जाए, यहाँ पे गाड़ियां रुकी हुई हैं, और क्या क्या असुविधा हो सकती है? गवर्नमेंट को क्या करना चाहिए
इसमें? अगर पानी और चढ़ा, इसमें जैसे कि अभी पीछे हथनी कुंड से पानी छोड़ा गया है, 3-4 लाख क्यूसेक पानी अगर और छोड़ दिया गया है, तो ये रिंग रोड भी सामने बंद करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अभी जहाँ पे जमुना जी का लेवल आ चुका है वो रिंग रोड से सिर्फ 3 या 4 फुट नीचे है, जहाँ से भी आप नाव में बैठे हैं। अगर ये पानी वहां तक चला गया तो गवर्नमेंट को ये रिंग रोड भी बंद करना पड़ेगा, जिससे बहुत अभी सुविधा हो जाएगी।
With the release of 2.8 lakh cusecs of water from the Hathni Kund barrage, the situation could just get worse. Even as the water levels rise in the Yamuna, authorities have refrained from issuing a flood alert. They say that only those lying along the banks of the Yamuna will be affected. However, people lying in the low-lying areas of East Delhi have been evacuated. With video journalist Tarun, this is Afreen Alam for NewsX, New Delhi.
In fact, Afreen Alam joins us live. Afreen, do we have an update from the Flood and Irrigation Department?
Yes, Shrishti, there's a piece of good news. In fact, the Flood and Irrigation Department has responded to us after having persistently approached them. So what they're telling us that they will be opening some of the gates to the major drains, which would allow the water to be channeled into some of the smaller drains. So the water would actually be distributed. Apart from that, the excess water will also be moved downstream. So Shrishti, there is some respite for people who are living in the low-lying areas there. So the Yamuna, but then in fact, it would also take some time for these remedies to be implemented and to reach the people. But until then, people would still continue suffering. We've spoken to some of the people who were there at the spot, and they said that, they're having difficulty commuting from one place to another. They're employing boats, and there's terrible traffic on the roads. Ring Road is absolutely jam-packed, chock-a-block with cars. So there's a lot of trouble that's being caused by the flood waters from the Yamuna entering the city, Srishti.
Right, Afreen, thank you so much indeed for giving us that update. Indeed, all the Delhiites, especially the ones who stay in the low-lying areas, are the ones who are being troubled and are the ones who are under a lot of inconvenience. Now, there is indeed little that man can do when nature